What's up, guys? It's your boy, Dollar Boy, the dope boy. I welcome you all into Dollar Trades. So today we're going to be doing US30 setup, and we will also review the setup that we had yesterday on gold. So starting from US30, guys, as you can see, we are on a daily time frame. So there's not much that I want. There's not a lot of information that I want here in the downside, rather than I will mark my this previous high because it was the our all-time high that we broke. So I'll just mark it like that, and then mark our current our all-time high, and then mark this demand right here, guys. Let me just activate the magnet. Mark this demand right here, as you can see. You all can see this demand right here, and this was a resistance, just a support, so maybe it will give us a support. But I do believe, guys, that prices are coming down here. I may be wrong, but I believe that prices are coming down there, because you can see we had buying opportunities, right? But prices just dropped drastically. So let's dig deeper to the 4-hour time frame. So please, guys, forgive the noise. Please forgive for the noise. So we can see, right, prices we had this uptrend, right? So prices broke that the previous all-time high, and then actually made a correction, broke above, had retest, and then we shot up, went up. So let's try to construct our trend line from here, where we had our retest from the range, where we had our retest, to activate the magnet. So we try to cater for the most touches, right? So we'll try to cater for the most touches. So here, this is it. So let's put our resisting trend line right there. So we see that prices were very bullish. We're very bullish. But then, why did it change? So market structure, guys, if you understand market structure, then I would say you know 50% of the technicals only with understanding the market structure. So let's start from here. We had that higher high, right? And then prices pulled back, had pulled back a bit of a correction, giving us what? And then what did we had there? We had a break of structure right there. So meaning here we had a what? A higher low. So prices pulled back, and again we had a break of structure right there. So that is registered as our higher low, right? So please, guys, forgive me for the noise, not in my trading station right now, not in my trading station. So this was our last break of structure. So meaning, as long as prices were still above this low right here, this higher low, we are looking for buying opportunities. We're looking for buying opportunities. But look what happened. Prices came down and broke. Prices actually broke that higher low. So right there, what did we have? We had a change of correct, and a supply, a perfect supply. So how do we validate a supply? It must live in inefficiency, and it must either break structure, or it must change correct. So that left inefficiency, and it changed the correct. So that is a valid supply zone, right? So what can we do right now? And we see prices were trending down, and prices were breaking structure to the downside. we're having a coding to the downside. This is a breaking structure to the downside. Prices are breaking structure to the downside. So we also had a break of structure right here. Break of structure right here. So what does this mean, guys? This means for as long as prices are still prices are still breaking structure to the to the downside, then we are looking for selling opportunities. We are bearish. So for as long as this low is not taken out, I'm looking for selling opportunities. I'm a seller, guys. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame to look for our entry point. So here we are in our 1 hour time frame, right, guys? So what can we do? I don't want to go see all that information, right? Okay, let's first try to draw a trend from here. Okay, we can see now. I don't like it like that. I would love to set my trend from here so that it will be a third touch when it touches there. Okay, so let me first, this was my spot. So let me delete that. Let me delete that break of structure. So guys, please forgive me for the noise. Please forgive me for the noise, guys. So that's our break of structure right there. So as we can see, what can we do? Okay, and we had so let's put our Fibonacci right there, our Fibonacci from the high to the low. So we can see that we have, okay, first let's delete this. Let's identify our supply. I like supply and demand, guys. We have supply right there, right here, right? But it's not guaranteed to hold. So prices can break that supply and go to that one, and then that's where they can sell, guys. So this is the scenario that this is what prices can do, or prices can go in and then go down, or prices may decide to break there and then go down, or the prices may also even decide to break above and then buy. We don't tell the prices what to do, but we follow what the prices is doing. So we have our supply right there. It's just so on our supply, right? So we mark that is a supply, and we also have another supply right there, but we don't know which one will hold, guys. You see, we don't know which one will hold. But I think the first one will hold. Why? Because of if we put our Fibonacci just like that, if you put our Fibonacci, we can see that the supply is confluence with our 6.18 level and our 0.706, so which is our OTE. Sorry guys, I was a bit disturbed. So this is what we are doing. We are entering our set position right here. Okay, no, first let's put our Fibonacci. Let's put our Fibonacci, our peak retracement. So this is how we do this. We enter. That's where we enter, guys. sorry, excuse me. That's where we enter, and then our take profit right there, guys. I'm loving it. So here we got ourselves a what, a 1:6 to move for 1:6 trade. Yeah, so that's where we'll be having our first TP. That's that's why we'll be having our first TP. Let's put it there. Our first TP, that's our TP1. TP1. It's our TP1. Our TP1. So my worry is only like having worry of one thing, prices to drop, even like because prices could drop, guys. Prices could drop and leave us behind, so that would really hurt me. That would really hurt me, guys. So I do use trend lines. Guys. In just some cases, for let's say in this one, I will put my trend line there, first touch, second touch, right there. Oh my god, no, just put on the closing of that one. So maybe prices could break that and go make a third touch there and then drop. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is my setup for US30. So that's our TP1. That's our TP1 and that's our second TP right there. So this is about how many? About 692 pips. Yeah, 692 pips. 692 pips, guys. So yeah, this is it. This is our current setup. So I will upload this, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. So my account is currently at Peppernuty65. As you can see, it's a real account from Xness. So I will enter trade risking 100 rand. So if it take me out, I will enter another trade risking 100 rand. So I will actually post the results. Thank you, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video, guys.